Ultrasonic jewelry cleaners are the perfect solution for keeping your jewelry sparkling clean. Not only can they effectively remove dirt and grime from your precious gems and metals, but they are also versatile enough to clean a variety of other items such as watches, glasses, and metal chains. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best ultrasonic jewelry cleaners you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Number 5. Vcutech Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. Introducing the Vcutech Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner, your ultimate cleaning solution. With its detachable stainless steel tank and size of 6.6 by 5.1 by 2.5 inches, it's super convenient to change the water without having to unplug the power cord each time. Equipped with a powerful 70 watts motor and 45 kHz ultrasonic digital cleaner, this machine generates millions of small vacuum bubbles to clean every angle of your watch, jewelry, glasses, gun parts, and valuables. Featuring a touch screen, a built-in removable cleaning basket, interval time settings, and a degas function, this ultrasonic cleaner is perfect for cleaning your silverware, coins, watches, glasses, and other daily used parts. The degas function maximizes the ultrasonic cleaning performance by removing dissolved gases in the liquid, protecting your jewelry and valuable parts from being oxidized or having chemical reactions. All this for an unbeatable price of $44. Number 4. Magnasonic Pro Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. Revitalize your precious belongings with the Magnasonic Pro Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. Say goodbye to dull and dirty jewelry, eyeglasses, dentures, razor blades, and utensils with this efficient and affordable cleaner. Powered by ultrasonic sound waves that generate 42 kHz, this device safely and gently removes dirt and grime in just minutes. The stainless steel chamber has a 20 ounces capacity, allowing you to clean a wide range of items at once. The digital display features 5 press-it cleaning cycles, with an auto shut-off, giving you full control over the cleaning intensity and duration. This cleaner is extremely easy to use, making it perfect for commercial, business, or home use. At only $39, the Magnasonic Pro Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner is a valuable investment for anyone looking to restore their valuables to their former glory. Number 3. Hanience Ultrasonic Cleaner. Elevate your jewelry cleaning game with the Hanience Ultrasonic Cleaner. Equipped with 40 kHz of ultrasonic energy bubble waves, this 20 ounces capacity jewelry cleaner thoroughly cleans and sanitizes jewelry, glasses, dentures, watches, and contact lenses to keep your accessories beautiful and sparkling. The advanced degas function also protects your valuables from oxidation or other chemical reactions with air. With 5 cleaning cycles, a simple on-off switch, and an automatic shutdown system, the Hanience Ultrasonic Cleaner is easy to operate. It also boasts noise-reducing technology and a non-slip base for safer use. Choose from 5 timer settings, ranging from 90 to 480 seconds, to meet your cleaning needs. All this comes at an affordable price of just $39. Number 2. Smileader Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. Experience professional and harmless 360 degrees cleaning for your personal items with the Smileader Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. With a powerful 43 kHz ultrasonic vibration frequency, this cleaner is perfect for eyeglasses, dentures, jewelry, rings, watches, razors, makeup brushes, and toothbrushes. The cleaner comes with 5 press-it digital cleaning timers ranging from 90 to 600 seconds, providing more flexibility and versatility based on item materials and degree of stains. The generous 25 ounces capacity enables you to clean multiple items at the same time, saving both time and energy. The high-end waterproof surface finish ensures a good tactile feeling and safety, while the 304 stainless steel tank material offers excellent corrosion resistance, making it safer for your valuables. Get your Smileader Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner today for just $45. Number 1. Vevor Pro Ultrasonic Cleaner. Introducing the Vevor Pro Ultrasonic Cleaner, a powerful cleaning machine designed for daily and professional use. With a digital control panel, premium SUS 304 material, and a 10-liter tank capacity, this commercial-grade ultrasonic cleaner is built to efficiently clean all your valuables. The Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner emits 40 kHz ultrasonic waves to thoroughly clean dirt and grime from your jewelry, eyeglasses, watches, metal tools, and more. Plus, with heating and timing functions, your items will be cleaned in minutes. Crafted from sturdy 304 stainless steel, this ultrasonic parts cleaner is designed for long-lasting use. The noise reduction lid and built-in handles on both sides make it easy to handle and clean. The heat dissipation holes and water outlet valve ensure safety and convenience during operation. At just $170, it's a reliable cleaning solution for all your needs. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.